So guys, to get new fonts for Microsoft Word, you want to head over to this website called thefont.com. It has a bunch of fonts you can install. You don't have to use thefont.com. There are also many other websites that you can get fonts from. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to be using thefont.com. So let's go to the website. I'm going to leave it down below in the description as well. And then once on the website, we can scroll down. I have a bunch of fonts here. You could also search for a font. And there's also a bunch of options that you can choose from right here. So for this tutorial, let's just say I want to go with this first font right here. You just want to download it. Now it's going to download. It's going to be in a zip file. I'm just going to right click on this, click on show in folder. And now I have it right here. I'm just going to double click on the zip file. And then you want to double click on the TTF file, the .ttf. And then you want to click on install. And now once that's been installed, I'm just going to close this out. I'm going to go to my desktop. Then I'm just going to put this to the side right here. And now you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you want to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be your C drive. There's going to be a Windows logo right here. You want to click on it. And then click on Windows. And then scroll down. And then double click on Fonts. Once you're on this, on the other File Explorer, you want to click on Downloads. And then you want to find a zip file. You want to extract the zip file. So you just want to right click and then hold. And then just drag it and place it like this. And then click on Extract. And then click on Extract again. And now you're going to have this TTF file. If you want, you could just rename this. It's up to you. I'm just going to keep it the same. And now you just want to drag it into here. I already have it installed, so that's why. But you just want to drag it into here. And then you want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it.